Hey everyone, welcome back to the UK Routine channel. Today we're diving into an important topic that could affect millions of people in the UK. E-visas. If you're non-EU resident, you need to be aware of some changes that could impact your immigration status. Let's break it down. So what exactly are e-visas? In simple terms, e-visas are digital visas that are replacing the older biometric residence permits. This means non-EU residents will now prove their right to stay in the UK through an online digital visa instead of carrying around a physio BRP. Sounds easy, right? But there are a few challenges we need to talk about. Here's where it gets tricky. The rollout of e-visas is not as smooth as it sounds. According to a report by The Guardian, the UK government hasn't completed the necessary checks like equality and data protection impact assessments before rolling out this system. This could leave people vulnerable, especially those who aren't tech savvy or lack reliable internet. Older residents, people with lower digital literacy, and those who rely on public internet could face huge barriers when trying to transition. It's also cybersecurity risk. Imagine your immigration status being exposed to hackers. The government has acknowledged these risks, but there are still concerns about the lack of comprehensive plan. So what's the timeline? The government has set deadline to switch from BRPs to eVisas by March 2025. But here's the issue, nearly 25% of the 4 million people who need to transition have yet to do so. That's a big number. If you don't switch by the deadline, your BRP will no longer be valid, and you could even have trouble re-entering the UK. Here's what you can do now to prepare. Check your status. If you're non-EU resident, make sure you understand what documents you need. Get online. If you're not comfortable with digital tools, consider getting assistance from family member, friend, or local community organisation. Keep an eye on updates. The government will keep rolling out information, but it's essential to stay informed. The e-visa rollout is a huge change, and while it could make things easier for some, it's important to understand the challenges it brings. So if you're affected, make sure you prepare ahead of time. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll try to help out. Don't forget to subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates. Take care and stay informed.